Hello, good morning students. Welcome to our college YouTube channel. I am Assistant Professor Suryakant Adate from Sri Mudai Devi Shikshan Sanstha's Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College Devur. Today's presentation is for BA Part 1st, Same First, Compulsory English, Module number 7, and today's presentation topic is William Shakespeare's famous poem All the World is a Stage. Firstly, I will introduce the greatest genius, William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born at Stratford on Avon in 1564. He published his first work, Venus and Adonis, in 1593. He wrote 37 plays and 2 long poems and a sonnet sequence of 154 sonnets, the first 126 addressed to a man. He had so perfect a knowledge of passion, humorous, and sentiments of mankind. He painted all characters from kings down to peasant with equal truth and equal force. William Shakespeare's characters are not individuals, they are a species eternal. He was not of an age, but for all times, because his men and women are true to the eternal facts of human life. He breathed his last on 23rd April 1616. Firstly, we will see the actual poem. All the world is a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exists and their entrance. And one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. At first, the infant, mucking and puking in the nurse's arm, and then the weaning schoolboy with the satchel, and the shining morning face creeping like snail unwillingly to school, and then the lover shining like a furnace with the woeful ballads made to his mistress Ibo, then a soldier full of strange oaths and beard like the pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation, even the cannon's mouth, and then the justice in fair round belly with good cap on lined, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise, saw and modern instances, and so he plays his part. The sixth age shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon with spectacles on nose and pouch on side. His youthful horse, well saved, a world too wide for his shrunk shank, and his big manly voice turning again towards childish timbrel pipes and whistles in his sound, last scene of all that ends this strange eventful history is second childishness and mere oblivion, sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything. The present poem is one of the Shakespeare's most frequently quoted passages. All the World is a Stage is a monologue from William Shakespeare's As You Like It, spoken by the melancholy Jacques in Act number 2, scene number 7. The poem begins with a phrase, All the world is a stage, which is very famous all over the world. Here, Shakespeare compares life to a stage and has divided life into 7 stages, each having its own varied qualities and features. This speech compares the whole world to a stage and life to a play and divides life into 7 stages of man's life. These 7 stages are infant, schoolboy, lover, soldier, justice, pantaloon, and old age. The 7 pictures are drawn with extraordinary clearness and vivid force, and their subjects appeal to the universal experience. Shakespeare thinks that the whole world is a stage. Men and women are actors on the stage. They play 7 roles according to their age. The first stage is the infant who is being carried by a nurse. The infant cries and omits all the time. Later, the infant grows into the schoolboy who is not willingly to attend school. The third stage is that of a lover who is lost in his thought of love. The lover writes songs to his lady's beauty. The next stage, that is fourth stage, as he grows older, he joins the army and becomes a soldier. He is physically fit and is aggressive, short tempered, and ambitious in nature. The next stage, that is fifth stage, shows that with maturity and wisdom, the family man becomes a judge. He is fair, healthy man, full of wisdom. His look is authoritative and the advises people. The sixth stage is about the man who has grown older and is found in pantaloons and spectacles. His voice grows into a weak tremble and it trembles as he speaks. The last stage is about the senile man who loses his teeth, his vision, and his hearing. It is his second childhood stage. After this, his role is over and he exists from the stage of his life forever. The 7 stages: first, an infant crying; second, a complaining schoolboy; third, a lover; fourth, a bearded soldier; fifth, a wise justice; sixth, an old man; and the last stage is second childhood. These are the 7 stages. Thank you.